Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana has reached our target area to the downside. If you remember, we had on the Solana chart here this orange support or trend reversal area, which was successful for a trade over wave 5. And then we said it could now be that this wave 5 of wave 1 is in, and we're waiting for a dip in a wave 2 into the yellow support area. That was spot on, I think. We reached that area quite quickly, actually. After this move up, and then the move down. But now the question is, are we actually going to hold this box? I am a bit skeptical about it, but I think before we break through it, if we do, we could see a bit of a bounce to the upside before we come down. Because there's of course the alternate count as well, and the alternate, to be honest, would be in line with Bitcoin's and Ethereum's count to a degree at least. We have the idea, the first one here is obviously that off the March low, we moved up in a wave 1, we came down in a wave 2, and that this here is another 1-2 setup. This is likely as long as we're holding $20.80. Below $20.80, the chart would not become bearish, but we have to expect a deeper pullback in a larger uptrend. However, it will become bearish, in my opinion, below, well, certainly below $12, but already below the 10th of March low, which was around $16, things are going to get challenging. But for now, I think we have a chance for a 1-2-1-2 setup, and it could rally from here in a third wave, but would need to turn around before it breaks $20.83. What is the alternative count? The alternative would be that, the bullish alternative, that yes, we rallied here in a wave 1 of the 10th of March low, but the move down was not the wave 2. It was just an A wave instead of a wave 2. We then had here an overshooting B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. That could come down a little bit lower, okay? As a guide, we can use Fibonacci extensions to calculate the target. For that, we take the length of the wave A to the downside, the high of the wave B, and we're looking, let me think. We're looking for the area all the way down to the 1.618 extension. That would be 1845. Is there another way of looking at it? Well, at the moment, I would go with this. First of all, let's see if we react to the yellow box. Also here, of course, you have the possibility that the move down is just an ABC structure, just a larger A wave in wave 2. But I think we just need to see now if price reacts to this support area. It's certainly a support area based on Fib supports, based on here the move to the upside in a possible wave 1, that we come down in a wave 2. But this correction can just stretch out time-wise a little bit. What you always need to do when you have an ABC structure complete or nearly complete, and we do have enough waves to count it as complete, then you need to be watching, okay, do we actually get an impulse to the upside now? Do we get an impulse, or is it just a correction? If we get an impulse, then it indicates that the wave 2 is in, and the next entry point could be the ABC correction after the next 5-wave move here, for pullback traders. First good evidence that the move down here is over, or at least a local low has been struck, is a break above $23.50. That would be a first indication. Until then, further downside in the current structure is possible. And if we move up, we need to be watching, is it something like this it's doing? A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, but we take it level by level. Structures certainly across the market have become quite complex, but note that at the moment relevant support is now here 21.94. You can see it reacted to the golden ratio. Next support would be $20.80. Below $20.80, we need to bring one of the alternatives more into focus, but as long as it's holding yeah, the 10th of March low, there isn't really anything bearish on this chart at the moment. There are just different possibilities how this could all unfold. For now, let's keep it like this, yeah. And I will keep you updated on a daily basis anyway. All right, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.